2011 bisinichimi 25th January salmariwo National Voter Day palailayo Hakotor ni chongmari commission abo haikino chasalo joto Hakotor 15 National Voter Day palailaikha Rajbhavan bokaisa panda songsai rwjakha a panda phai manjak phaika haste Indrasena reddy nallu Sachib Uttam Kumar chakma saltang hangkoni hangkor naikonlai Dr. Bishal Kumar nilogi kuchuk thaini naikonlai rok pandao 29 jona kwtal voter ni yago I card yafre rwjakha pandao koknar nufru haste Indrasena reddy nallu sakha 2024 bishiwa Hakotor Lok Sabha chongmari kahaikeno pairikha National Chongmari Commission a chongmari hayung ni bisingo joto ni swlai kotor ter tongmani haste Indrasena reddy nallu ni logi 15 National Voter Day wo kuchuk thaini naikonlai rok voter I card manei kha furja kwtal voters rok.
This National Voters Day will be celebrated across the country on this 25th January every year. This year's celebrations come soon after the historic and successful conduct of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the largest democratic exercise in the world. The Election Commission also celebrates 75 years of its dedicated service to the nation. The event celebrating the voters of the country again assumes a grand scale this year in light of the fact that India's total electorate is approaching 100 crore mark, that is 1 billion. This year theme, nothing like voting, I vote for show, is a continuation of last year's theme, emphasizing the importance of participation in the electoral process and encouraging voters to take pride in exercising their franchise. Since 2011, National Voters Day has been observed annually on January 26 to commemorate the foundation day of the Election Commission.
Bureau Report, Kokkhara.